Don't let YouTube pick boring thumbnails for you. I'm going to show you how to change your thumbnails in less than 60 seconds. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. Then choose your channel. Go to your channel and select Shorts. Pick one that you want to change. I'll pick the one with the mock Empire State Building. Now click the three dots at the top right of the thumbnail. Select Edit. Once on the video, click on the thumbnail. Now you can scroll through your video and look for a frame in your video that will make a better thumbnail. Once you got the frame you want, hit save, and there you have your new thumbnail. Just like that, less than 60 seconds, from boring to great.